Morning showers leave their marks behind, faint traces dragging through the day. The moisture in my heart I thought had dried now gathers on the window pane. An empty cup warms my idle hand, while the clock's hand seems to stall. A world without you fades to gray, and I quietly stand beneath the rain. Regret I stare at where your warmth once stayed. I hum a tune for no one else, a melody I can't reach. Your face appears in every drop, fragments of memory sway with the breeze. If I could see you once again, I think I'd only cry in silence. Regret and longing flood this afternoon. A whisper calls your name so low, like raindrops that won't dry these tears of mine. How many more days must I endure? How many more days must I endure?